Okay, this video is for lesson 9 and You Can Be Algebra Ready book. Again, we're dealing with order of operations with integers. So let's work through some. Um, let's work through this problem first. If we go back and think about the order of operations and what happens first, second, and third, well, the first thing we do is inside of parentheses. Well, remembering brackets are just like parentheses, so let's do what's inside those first. Well, when I look at there, I don't have any other parentheses except this one, but I have an exponent inside that one, so I have to do that first. So my next line looks like this: 2 plus 4 times 9. Okay. Then I still have some operations going on inside of there that I need to mess with. I've got to do 4 times 9 next, right? So I have 2 plus 36 inside the parentheses. And now, again, remember brackets are just like parentheses, so I'm going to treat them like them. So 3 times 38. And then I just have to multiply those two together. And I get, what, 114? Okay, so again, nothing different. We just have positive and negative numbers. Let me give you a few to try, and then we'll talk through them. So you can pause the video after I give you these, and then we'll talk through them. Let's do this one: 18 minus 3 times 3 quantity squared plus 78. There's one, and then let's do one like this. Negative 8 minus 4 plus 2. Okay, so here's 2. You may have to look at one and then pause it, then come back and look at the other one and do that one, because I can't get them both fit on at the same time. So pause the video, do this first one, come back and I'll talk through it, and then pause the video again and do this second one and come back and I'll talk through it. Okay, let's look at this first one. If I look and see what's inside parentheses, I've got to do that first. So 18 minus 9 quantity squared plus 78. And then I'm done with parentheses, inside parentheses. So now I've got to do the 9 squared. So now I have 18 minus 81 plus 78. And now I'm messing around with integers here. 18 minus 81 is what, negative 63? Is that right? Yeah, that should be right. And then I've got negative 63 plus 78, which is, oh, look, I did 2 greens in a row. Whoopsie daisy. Positive 15. Okay, and then try the second one, pause the video and come back and I'll work through that one as well. Okay, so I'm going to do step by step inside the parentheses. Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9 plus 4. I'm going to do both of these in one shot. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12 plus 2. Okay. Then my next line, I'm going to have negative 9 plus 4, which is negative 5, minus negative 12 plus 2, which is negative 10. Now, you got to be careful here, right? You can't just do negative 5 and negative 10. That doesn't fall that way, does it? So it becomes plus negative. So I become negative 5 plus positive 10, okay, because I changed the sign and added a line, which is positive 5. All right, that's it for this video.